Unlocking the power of strength training can lead your child to a healthier future. It's more than just lifting weights, it's about building a foundation for life. Strength training, when executed safely, brings a multitude of benefits to young athletes. It's an essential tool for improving overall health and fitness. Remember, strength training differs significantly from weightlifting, bodybuilding, or powerlifting. The focus is on enhancing strength without risking injury to developing bodies. Choosing the right method for strength training is crucial. Utilizing body weight and resistance options is safest for children, promoting strength and safety. Strength training can protect muscles and joints, reducing sports-related injuries for kids. This support can help young athletes soar in various sports activities. For children not interested in sports, strength training still delivers remarkable benefits. It can boost self-esteem, promote healthy weight, and strengthen bones and muscles. Parents often wonder, when should children start strength training? It's suitable for kids as young as 7 or 8 years old, alongside their sports activities. Your child should master directions and practice good form before beginning strength training. This ensures they perform exercises safely and effectively. Aiming for at least 60 minutes of physical activity daily, the government recommends integrating muscle and bone strengthening exercises into children's routines 3 times a week. What does a child-focused strength training program look like? It's essential to tailor it to their unique age, size, and interests, ensuring safety and engagement. Enlist a trained coach or personal trainer specializing in youth strength training. Their expertise will guide your child towards safe and effective routines. Never allow your child to train alone. Active supervision from a knowledgeable adult is crucial for safety during strength training sessions. Make strength training enjoyable. Mixing up routines keeps your child engaged and eager to participate regularly without succumbing to boredom. Warming up properly with light activities is essential. These routines prepare their muscles and enhance performance before tougher exercises. Incorporate light aerobic activities after workouts to promote recovery. Gentle stretching will further aid in muscle relaxation and growth after each session. Kids should focus on lifting light weights and perfecting their form rather than pushing for heavy lifts too soon. Safety is most important during their training journey. Progression comes with practice. Increasing resistance or repetitions gradually aids strength development. Encourage consistency, but rest days between workouts are vital. Strength training isn't an overnight fix. Results emerge with time and perseverance. Celebrate every small achievement on your child's path to strength and fitness. Empower your child with knowledge about their health through exciting and diverse activities. Their journey to strength can shape a lifetime of wellness and confidence.